Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the week starting from 18th till 24th of October. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, okay? So let's get started with your reading now. So to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. So, Geminis, October 18th till 24th, 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign, Taurus. Taurus, 18th till 24th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. Let's see. At the back of the deck, we have the King of Pentacles. Okay, so it tells us financial security, financial prosperity, I would say. It tells us about something related with finances. Okay, it could be a person around you who is actually good. It could be you only, okay, Gemini. It could be a Taurus as well. But somebody who is very much concerned with money. Somebody who is mature, somebody who is materialistic at the same time, but yes, still somebody who is very much genuine, okay, a grounded person as well. So yeah, you could be dealing with this person or you could be this person at this time. So we will check what it is. In the past we have 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords and 2 of Cups. So there was a strong situation in the past. It could be a marriage, a date, a relationship going on, but things happened to go really fast in your life. They were fast, but let's see what exactly happened. We will check that in the cards. In the present we have 7 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles and 6 of Swords. You happen to take a stand for yourself and the situations around you. Or at present it requires to stand up for yourself. If something is not pleasing you or something is not, you are not finding something positive around you, you need to just end that negative situation and you have to move away from that with the 6 of Swords coming up in the present. So you might be going towards calmer waters. You might be ending something depressive in the past. We will see what exactly that is. For some of you, you might be going to learn. Some of you might be traveling. You might be learning something new, and this could be a new, fresh start for yourself. But if this is you and you have already seen this part where you have already stood up for yourself, then this is you. If this is not you, the universe is trying to tell you over here that take a stand for yourself. Do what makes you fine, okay? In the coming future we have Justice, 2 of Wands and Wise Counselor. Again, I see travel, I see strong balance. You are really standing up for your belief. So in the future, and somebody is traveling here, somebody is thinking about some kind of a situation where you require some kind of a help. Okay, it could be a person, somebody is a person is helping you, or your father, your teacher, okay. I see a lot of change in your mind. It could be like a spiritual change which is coming towards you in the future. You might be entering into that thing, but we will clarify now. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles for my Geminis. Three of Swords, the Magician and Tower. So this is your energy, Gemini. So this is something very contradictory, because it looks like you have changed a lot in your life. You have changed yourself. You have, because of some breakup, some kind of a sudden ending, you have given a lot of energy to a person or some other situation in your life, but it didn't go really well. Things ended, things didn't go well, things didn't happen to go well, and it was like sudden death for you, we can say, sudden ending for you, and it was not good. Okay, but because of that, there is a lot of change in you right now, and now you are more basically looking at your part, yourself, I'm saying. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Knight of Swords in the past energies. Eight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, the Star. It could have been a reconciliation in the past with the past person, and you thought that, okay, let's put our energies, let's put effort in this thing again, and this was something related with the past. So you gave one more chance to the same person, or the same person, if you are watching vice versa, your person could have given the same chance to you. Okay, but this is the second chance which is showing up here. Okay, tell me more about the Two of Cups. Temperance, Six of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. You wanted to get married to this person. I don't see marriage here. For some of you who are already married, you could have divorced and you got back together, or there was separation before, but there is coming back. But after coming back again, there is separation, because the other person is like leaving the situation. It was fruitful, it was happy, but still you couldn't be together because of some reasons. Yeah. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands. Four of Swords, Six of Cups, and Four of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel that in relation with the past energies, you are still feeling a little depressed. Okay, so you are going through a pause situation in your life where, yes, it's really hard for you to let go of that thing, of that past thing, and it's really not easy for you. You want some reconciliation, you want things to go well in the present again. You are in that dilemma for things to go really well. You have a little sense of regret somewhere, where you might have taken stand for the person with whom you were dealing with. And when we take somebody else's stand, and that means we stand against the other people, and you are taking stand for the person, but now that person is not with you, so you feel alone. The regret is coming somewhere, because you might have not chosen your battles wisely. You stood up for them, but still you are in regret now. Something could have happened, and that is why you are taking some pause, you are resting, because things happened to go really fast and they were not good. But there's a sense in you, a sense of feeling in you, which makes you keep motivated, a sense of moving forward always. If you are not moving forward, then the universal message is to move on from the bad chaotic situation. Tell me more about the Three of Pentacles in the present. Page of Swords, Five of Swords, and Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely this thing is a chaos in your life. This requires a lot of impatience in your life. You might be working, you might be going to your work, but in your mind you are going through a lot of problems, chaos and issues, troubles. Tell me more about the Justice in the future energies. Two of Wands, Nine of Pentacles and Seven of Swords. So it could be a person who have deceived you, who could have done bad to you, or it could be a self-deception in the coming future as well. So if you are planning to not move forward, universal message is to keep moving forward, keep going on, because you will be served the justice. Okay, if you are thinking that you were not wrong, the other person was wrong, don't worry, you will be served justice by the universe. So just think about yourself right now and keep going on like this, because there's something coming towards you really good. For some of you, if there is a therapy or some help which is required for you to calm your mental peace, mental anxiety, to calm that, so you might be needing to go to a counselor for that, okay, a therapist. So it could help you to move forward and to look where you are standing now. Okay, wise counselor energy. Why the High Priest here? Five of Cups, Nine of Cups and Queen of Cups. So all the cups energy, all the emotional energies are coming up here. So you might be feeling strong regrets. You might be looking at the negatives right now. So to see the positives, see how beautiful these both cards are. Okay, so let me clarify. So this is like you might be feeling, okay, somewhere where you might be looking at the negatives. You are not able to see the positives. There are positives around you. You are seeing the negatives. You are crying. You are feeling regretful. But in the coming future, it shows like, see, before you were there, you were in front of the sea, but you are looking at the negatives. Now you have all the cups and you are looking towards the sea. You are feeling a little joyful. I'm seeing a lot of cups energy, a lot of water energies, and see, you have stood up now and you are working for yourself. So you have so much of positivity in you that people are looking at that positive side of yours, and everyone is trying to come towards you. You are a reason for someone else's smiles. So you are becoming like that, Geminis. Okay, so I really am happy to do your reading today. It's really beautiful since your ending is perfect. So that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.